Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You want transparent washes fast? Start by thinning your acrylic to a watercolor consistency. Mix roughly 50-70% water or use glazing medium to retain binder. This prevents cracking. Load a large flat brush for broad washes and a rigger for fine lines. Once done, test on scrap canvas to gauge flow and opacity. Make sure colors remain vivid when diluted. Spray bottle helps reactivate edges while you work, so keep it handy for soft blends and controlled blooms. You'll build depth by layering. Apply a light diluted wash and let it partially set for 5 to 10 minutes before the next pass. This timing gives you control. Wet on wet creates soft transitions, while wet on dry yields sharper edges. Make sure to lift mistakes immediately with a damp brush or tissue. Acrylics become permanent as they cure. Once midtones are in, add glazes with slightly more pigment, 10 to 20%, to push values without losing translucency. Keep strokes varied to mimic watercolor texture. You finish by strengthening edges and highlights with thicker, less diluted acrylic so details pop. Make sure the painting cures fully, usually 48 to 72 hours, before varnishing with satin or matte for uniform sheen. If you see patchy or uneven areas, re-wet gently and apply a thin glaze to even tones. If paint shows cracking, reduce dilution next time and add more acrylic medium to improve film strength. Lastly, step back often. Small adjustments now save big fixes later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.